AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 essentially is as of now at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP explicitly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which basically is genuinely huge. AMP records truly descending development today, which especially is genuinely critical. 27 November 2023, in this video we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what by and large is transient cost expectation for AMP, really is AMP a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. AMP support and opposition levels and so on, in every practical sense, further appearance how AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to plunging truly profound into the AMP specialized examination, fundamentally let us basically discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,392,958,938,316 in a kind of huge manner. The by and large all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $51,887,486,523 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a significant manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, or so they really thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time period in an extremely significant manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere near 3.54 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, essentially further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they truly thought. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an extremely descending heading for essentially present moment, or so they generally thought. Right now, a general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that 27 November 2023, in this video, we will especially walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly most certainly sought clarification on some things, facts. What truly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for AMP, basically is AMP a kind of wise venture, which really is very critical. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that AMP keeps truly descending development today in a significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers explicitly become most certainly additional truly dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a truly significant manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants really become move especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how the especially all-out exchanging volume all things considered remains at $51,887,486,523, which in a real sense is very critical. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP for the most part is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, or so they explicitly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while sort of all-out, market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, really in spite of mainstream thinking. There for the most part are practically 42,227,702,186 by and large are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP Value Examination AMP Cost Investigation for 27 November 2023, inside an especially everyday time span, generally made sense of underneath, which sort of shows that market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,392,958,938,316, which generally is very huge. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving most certainly normal union and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including exceptionally basic moving really normal, SMA, and outstanding moving normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the AMP, so market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,392,958,938,316 in an unpretentious manner. While AMP's Williams % R pointer sort of is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, especially signal essentially is truly conceivable at this reach. Exhibiting how while AMP's Williams % R marker certainly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, genuinely signals sort of is really conceivable at this reach in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, sort of additional appearance, how we use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving essentially normal, EMA, to fundamentally examine the future development of the AMP, so market examination over the last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,392,958,938,316. Most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, so AMP generally faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, which most certainly is very critical. The principal support level for AMP sort of is at $0.005, while the in every practical sense, second one certainly is at $0.004, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 5,028,000.